Welcome to Auto Creative Zone. Today we bring you the full reveal of the 2026 Suzuki V-Strom 650 XT, one of the most loved middleweight adventure bikes. Known for reliability, versatility, and comfort, the V-Strom 650 XT now comes with fresh updates to make it even more capable for both touring and off-road riding. Design and styling. The 2026 V-Strom 650 XT gets a sharp, adventure-focused design with a new beak-style front fairing inspired by Suzuki's rally bikes. It features LED headlights, LED indicators, and a redesigned windscreen with adjustable height for better wind protection. Spoke wheels, handguards, engine bash plate, and dual-tone body panels emphasize its rugged character. Engine and performance. Powering the bike is the trusted 645 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin engine, tuned for smooth power delivery and better fuel efficiency. It produces around 70 horsepower and delivers strong low and mid-range torque for city, highway, and off-road riding. Updates include improved throttle response and a refined exhaust system meeting Euro 6 emission standards without compromising performance. Electronics and rider aids. The 2026 model includes Suzuki Intelligent Ride System with 3-level traction control, switchable ABS, and low RPM assist for smoother takeoffs. A new ride-by-wire throttle adds precision, while selectable riding modes allow the rider to adjust power delivery based on terrain or weather. The bike also includes an updated TFT digital display with Bluetooth connectivity for call and navigation alerts. Comfort and ergonomics. Designed for long distances, the V-Strom 650 XT features a comfortable split seat, upright riding posture, and adjustable handlebars. The windscreen and side fairings reduce fatigue during touring. The suspension setup uses telescopic forks at the front and an adjustable rear monoshock, offering stability on highways and flexibility on rough terrain. Suspension, brakes, and build. The bike rides on 19-inch front and 17-inch rear spoked wheels, built for adventure trails. Braking is handled by dual front discs and a single rear disc with ABS. Ground clearance and reinforced chassis make it suitable for gravel paths, dirt roads, and light off-roading, while maintaining stability on paved roads. Features and